Local area emergency in effect for southeastern Allegheny County until 4 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pittsburgh Emergency Management. Ongoing flash flooding is causing most roads to become impassable. If you are currently on the road, exit your vehicle and seek higher ground to avoid the flood waters.
The civil authority has issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties or areas: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, at 3:01 p.m. on June 6, 2007, effective until further notice. Message from IPOSCAP. The Pittsburgh Police Department is advising that a 911 outage is currently ongoing in the city of Pittsburgh due to an influx of calls. If you have an emergency, please contact the alternative emergency phone number corresponding to your zone. Remember, times of arrival may be slow due to heavy rain and flash flood.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police. An evacuation order for Zones 1 and 2 are currently in effect due to major flash flooding. Local law enforcement will be assisting those who need to evacuate through high flood waters. Stay tuned into local media for further updates when it becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pittsburgh Emergency Management. Extreme flash floods are currently ongoing in Zones 1 and 2, with water levels reaching up to 5 feet. This is a life-threatening situation. If you haven't done so, evacuate to Zones 3 and 4 if possible. If you're unable to evacuate, seek higher ground immediately. Monitor local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.